Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress on LocalWP. So the first thing is we go to localwp.com and then here we need to download LocalWP. So we shall click on that and then it will ask you to choose your platform. So since I'm using Windows, I'll choose Windows. But if you're using Mac, choose Mac, whatever, or Ubuntu or Debian, whatsoever. So I'll choose Windows. And then it will ask you for your email address. So I'll just put in my details and choose independent and then click on get it now. So you can see here local is being downloaded. So the speed will depend on how good your internet connection is. So let's wait for it to download. So when you finish downloading local, you shall find it in your downloads folder. So you double click on it to install it. So we can now set up local. So I'll choose only for me and click on next. And then the destination folder, let it be default and it needs a lot of space. As you can see, make sure you have that space. Then click on install. So now setting up local is complete. You might be wondering why local. Local is the best offline development tool for WordPress. So it will help us build websites offline. So let's click on finish, accept the terms and conditions, click agree, and then local will ask you to create a free account. So here you go. So now we can click on create a new site and you'll choose create a new site. And then click on continue and then you give your site a name. So let's call it Fanny's Foods. Below the advanced options, you can see it will create a local domain which is called fannysfoods.local and then also where the site is going to be stored. So we click on continue. So it's going to ask you for PHP version and then also the web server. Nginx, which is by default, you can change it to Apache if you want to, and then MySQL. So we can click on continue and then it will ask you to create a WordPress username. So I'll just call my username admin and then I give it a password. And then under the advanced options, is this a multi-site? It's not a multi-site. So we shall just click on add site. This is going to take a few minutes. So you can allow the app to make changes. Click on yes. So you can see at this stage, it is now adding WordPress. After adding WordPress, it is installing for you WordPress. Make sure that you have internet connection in this stage. So finally, your website has been created. So we can go to WP admin by clicking on that link. And then you remember the username that you created, admin, and then the password, and then click on login. Congratulations, you've successfully installed WordPress via local. So now you can customize this website to the way you want and change the fill. So you can also view the site. That is the site. So thank you so much for watching. This is basically how to install WordPress via local. Local is a tool that helps you to create websites locally on your PC. And so it's really a great tool. And when you go back to local, you can see that you can even connect to a host right from here. So we currently have one site running. You can create as many sites as you can. And it's really a great tool. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.